What's up? It's your boy Jay Jones back with another video. I'm on this retro bowl. It's been a minute. It's only the second episode of this series with the Jacksonville Jaguars. But let's get it. Nice kick return. We're ready to do our thing. Lit replay. Let's go. 1st and 10. Bam. Throwing it already. Slinging that rock. Getting that thing out there. Let's go. Run that rock. Let's get it. It's by y'all. For Miko. Okay. Alright. Touch it down already. Chicago don't stand a chance. Let's go. Right back at it. And threw a peak. Goodness gracious. Threw a peak. Alright. We got 7. Chicago got 3. We got the ball back though. So it's all good. They got that pick for nothing. Let's go. Let's get it. Throw that thing, boy. Bow. Incomplete. Let's go. Come on. Oh, he's squeezing that thing in there. Come on. Chicago got 10, bro. Whole 10 points. But we gonna take that lead right back. Right back. Oh, they got 3 more points. 14-13. Okay. What we doing this kick return? Okay, we got a little something going on. I'm ready to return the kick for a touchdown. I hadn't done it yet. Scored 50 career touchdowns. Okay. All right. 21-21. And then I throw a peek. Come on, bro. What part of the game is this? We can't be throwing these peaks, man. 28-21. Come on, man. Okay, for me go. I had this gameplay been done since 2022. I just hadn't did the video. So I don't remember exactly what the heck happened. All right. Dang, 35-27. God damn. We can't catch a break. The game started like we was going to whoop Chicago. But, yeah. Look how that turned out. They kicking all butts. I still don't remember this game, though. So I don't know the outcome. 35-27. We driving the rock. Miko got in there. Okay. Yes, sir. Boom. 2-point conversion is solid. Look at that touchdown. 1:30 left to go. Let's drive this ball down the field. Bye, y'all. For Miko. Look like he the only person I throw the ball to, really. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get in there for the win. Actually, let's just tie it. Overtime. Nope time. Boy, that missed the field goal, man. I didn't even realize I missed the field goal. We lost by 1 point, bro. Well, on to the next. The Dolphins, they 0-8-1, bro. Ain't no way we gonna lose this game. Man, ain't no way. Just ain't no way. Start the kick off with Flamenco. Let's see what he gonna do. Give us some good field position. Okay, all right. I can rock with that. And let's throw that thing. Oh my goodness, a pick. I mean, threw it straight to him. I don't know what I was thinking on that one. And Miami got that 7 points. All right, we coming back though. Look at that. Boom. Kaiser or Kizzer. I don't know. Either way, we got that touchdown. It's tied up 7-7. Oh man, they done scored again. 14-7. They up. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Kaiser coming through this game. Big play, Kaiser. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Run that thing in. We in there, bro. We in there. Tied up. Let's see how they go. Dang. Miami, they ran it back. 21-14. Bro, we cannot lose to this team, man. Just no way we can lose to this team. Flamenco. Let's tie this thing up. Let's tie it up. All right, dang. Dolphins got 24-21. Come on now. We got to do better than this. We got to do better. We got to do better. Come on now. Oh, man. Come on, bro. I hate when they drop passes that they supposed to catch. At least we got the first. Now let's work it. Let's work this thing. Pow. Kaiser. We cannot lose to a 0-8-1 team, bro. I'm sorry. Ain't no way. No, bro. Come on now. Fourth and bro. No. Ain't no way. No. Gotta get it. All right. Got the first. I think game would have been over. We'd have missed that. It'd have been OV. All right. Okay. Trying to punch that ticket in to Lead Town. Yes, sir. All right. 27-24. And we got the ball back in the third quarter. Oh, no. We must have blew that. 27-24. We got the ball back. Fourth quarter. Okay. Run it. Okay. Punch it in. Look like we got a dub out this game. I reckon. Boop. Okay. The boy finna get in the end zone. Throw that thing. We trying to win the Retro Bowl year 1. Let's do it. Throw that thing. Run that thing, man. Do something. Thank you. I'm trying to secure the victory. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This over with. And we got this dub. Now that's what's up. On to the next. So who we got this time around? So we 1-1 in this video. Houston 1-9, bro. Can't lose. This is a division game, so it's gonna be tough. But we cannot lose. Touchback on the first kickoff. Is that a bad sign? I don't know. Boom. Okay. Kaiser, he can't ready to play. He ain't trying to lose to no sorry team. Not today. Woo, we threw that thing over that boy head. Okay. Still zip to zip, but you know, I think we're going to punch it in on this drop. Fumble. And apparently Houston scored, but they missed the field goal. But still, though. Let's see what we do. Can we run that thing back? Boom. Or throw it forward. Flamenco. Man, he gone. He ain't getting caught. Ain't no way he getting caught. Oh, he got caught at the line. But that's all right, though. Ain't no way we cannot score. First and goal. We got this. Oh, no, not like that. Ain't no way we getting it like that. Come on now. Punch that ticket in. No, not like this. Ain't no way we finna lose to Houston. No. Okay. Ellison, all right. We in there. All right, 7-6. We got the ball back. Let's run this thing. Nah, we gonna throw it. Okay. To who though? Boop. All right, Flamenco picked up 24 yards. Okay. We end up having to kick a field goal, and we make it. So it's 10-6. All right. I'm trying to make the videos more short and quick because I know they can be long and boring. So if you see the score change drastically quickly, because I did cuts, man. I'm trying to make it quick for y'all. Just took a big set. Okay. All right. 10-6 still. Another field goal apparently. And it doink, but it's good. It's all good. 13-6. Okay. And we got the what was I thinking? I must have been hitting some of that white stuff or something. Okay. Oh. 13-13, bro. Ain't no way finna lose to no Houston. Ain't no way. 3 yard. The running game has been non-existent, really. Come on. Okay. Yes, sir. Let's get in there. And let's get out of Houston with a W, please. All right, Flamenco. So it's 20-13. 20-13. 20-20. Fourth quarter. We got the rock. Ellison doing his thing. Okay. Too much time though. Houston can score on the other end. Oh, I thought Kaiser was gonna get that. I just knew he had it. I knew he had it. Oh, he got it this time though. Touchdown. That's what I'm talking about. My boy did that touchdown. Boom. Okay. What Houston gonna do? Look like they gonna score. Yup. 43 seconds. We gonna try to drive the ball down the field, get the game winner. When it be touchdown or field goal. Let's do this thing. Boom. No, not like that. We can't afford to turn it over because then it'll be over. Boom. Look at Kaiser putting in that work, you feel me? Go ahead, Kaiser. This might be the last play. Oh, I'm lucky that didn't get picked off. 5 seconds. Field goal? Yes, no, maybe. Bam. And we got the dub. We run out of Houston with the dub. Good game. See y'all next time. Formerly known as Drury Avenue Studio LLC, is now known as Condoleezza Jones Artistry LLC. It's more than just jewelry. It's all the arts. Thank you all for your support.